Hans laser tin wire welding processing demonstration for PCB board. 1. Tin wire welding for PCB board connectors. 2. Tin wire welding for antenna PCB joint. 3. Tin wire welding for round PCB, 0.2 mm tin wire. Tin wire welding refers to a laser tin welding process where tin wire is used as additional tin material. Lasers act on the welding spot and cooperate with the mechanism to feed tin wire to achieve welding effects. Tin wire welding heats up local areas in a show RT time, having less thermal impact on the base plate and surrounding components. Different heating specifications can be implemented according to the type of component leads to achieve consistent welding quality. Due to the small focus spot, high positioning accuracy of welding seams, controllable energy and temperature during the welding process, and relatively low energy consumption, the processing cost can be effectively reduced in terms of precision and energy consumption. In addition, tin wire welding is a non-contact welding method that can adapt to narrow spaces and high-precision small welding spots products. No welding slag is generated during the welding process. Green and environmentally friendly. With these advantages, tin wire welding shows unique superiority in the field of precision welding on PCB boards.